So let us understand what is home loan. A home loan is an amount of money that an individual borrows from a bank or money lending company at a certain rate of interest to be paid with the EMI of every month. The property is taken as a security by the money lending company for the home loan. The property can either be commercial or personal in nature. Looking about the key documents that needed for availing a home loan is the first and foremost documents are KYC documents. KYC means know your customer, through which a bank or any financial institution will know about the customer, about the identity of a customer, and verify whether the person is verified and is eligible to take loan or not. The documents are Aadhaar card, PAN card, driving license, and 10 passport size photographs. Aadhaar card is one of the most important documents that is needed, followed by PAN card that determines all your information about the income tax portal and all the taxation related details. The driving license and 10 passport size photographs for your verification of documents. Next, we have income proof documents. These documents will define whether your income is up to the mark and up to the limit by which the bank will, or any financial institution will provide you the loan. The IT return, which means the income tax return, the taxes that you have filed on your income in past 3 years that have to be verified by the bank or any financial institution to provide the loan. Form 16 is also an important form. Salary slip. In case of salaried professionals or persons, they get salary slip from the company or their employers. It is a proof of their income, which is needed as an income proof document. Employer certificate. Employers give the certificate of employment. So that employment certificate is to be presented in front of bank or any financial institution at the time of taking up the loan. Next, we have asset documents. All the assets that we hold that contain some documents which is considered as a proof of those assets. For example, we have assets as FD. So we have to provide the copy of FD, LIC, mutual funds, and RC copy of our vehicle. So it will determine the asset value and our loan taking capacity. Also, we have to show the liability documents in front of bank. The liabilities include loans, any previous loans that we have taken, or all the loan statements that we have currently running. Those are the current liabilities that are on us, and these documents are to be presented in front of banks. And bank account statement. Property document. The property document, the property which we are going to purchase, it is the property document, and the sale agreement is to be provided in front of bank. Title clear report document. This report is prepared by bank itself. It is an important report by which bank verifies about the property that you are being taking. The bank will itself verify about that property, about the past records and past history of that property, whether that property is disputed or not, whether that property is eligible or not for giving the loan. Next, we have valuation report of the property. Valuation report is the report that is provided by the valuers. Bank will appoint the valuers who will value our property and will tell the clear fair value of the property, and based upon that the bank will provide loan. That doesn't matter if we tell bank that this property is of 10 lakhs or 20 lakhs, it will send its own valuers to value that property, and based on current market price, those valuers will value the property, and based upon the amount that is disclosed by the valuers, upon that price the loan will be disbursed. Thank you.